Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, there's another update for Google Chrome today. It actually was released late yesterday, June the 25th. And well, they are bug fixes once again. No security updates from what I see. It's a certain number of bug fixes for problems that people have been having on Google Chrome 1.15. So if you go into your Google Chrome browser, you go on the upper right corner, the three vertical dots, and help, and then you go to about Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 115.0.5790.110. These are updates for bug fixes. Like I said, they don't have any security enhancements or features, so not to worry about it. You can just leave it alone. It's going to update itself. If you've had some issues, maybe this could actually fix the problem you have. So this is the second bug fixing update actually since the release of Chrome 1.15. So I guess there was a few things to adjust and to fix. I had a lot of people mentioning about how their version number doesn't, always match my version number. It happens regularly. So if I have 110 and you have 109 or 111 or 112. Keep in mind that there's little variations. I'm not sure why exactly, but within Windows itself, there will be little variations. And of course, depending on the platform you are, Mac, Linux, Windows, there are also variations in the build number for the Google Chrome browser. So that's kind of normal. So anyways, bug fixes, once again, no security updates in here, so nothing to go nuts about, but they are available today, July the 26th. They were released late yesterday. Actually, I posted a video yesterday about some of the fixes that were a couple of days old. And if I had looked like an hour later, they would have had this one too. So once again, 115.0.5790.110 is where we are at for Google Chrome browser bug fixing update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.